Hey guys, welcome back to Shib Kai. Today, the huge CEO of Binance bought $4 million worth of Shiba Inu Shib news. The Shiba Inu team's original plan to release a new hub called Rio Plaza did not go as planned, but it did offer users the WMI Temple hub in a unique way, and the response was spectacular. In this video, we'll talk about the huge CEO of Binance buying just $2 million worth of Shiba Inu Shib news today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share, and subscribe to the Adu. Let's start the video. The Shib team made up for the lack of Rio Plaza by giving the WGMI Temple hub through Unreal Engine 5.1. Screenshots of the WMI Temple were included with the post. This hub was first shown earlier this year in concept art. Thank you for coming to the holiday party. As you can see, the comments we've been getting is just amazing. We weren't able to show off Rio Plaza, but we did want to go back to the WMI Temple and show everyone the hub within the world for the first time. The Shib's crew thanks everyone who came to the holiday event. Talk to Fireside Online. The Unreal Engine is a 3D computer graphics game engine that Epic Games made. Today, Unreal Engine 5.1 made the virtual landscapes in video games look even more vivid and vibrant. Earlier this week, the Shib Metaverse Twitter account held a giveaway where one lucky winner would receive a digital piece of land from the Metaverse Silver Fir. Silver Fir is one of the 4 land plots that make up the Metaverse's 4 tiers, which have a total of 2024 virtual land plots. Diamond Teeth is the name of the first group. Platinum Paw and Gold Tail, which have 5,714 and 73156 land plots, respectively, make up tiers 2 and 3. The tier with the most land is Silver Fir. On the other hand, the top meme coin just reached a new user milestone as the army of shibainu owners grows. According to data from Willet's wallet tracking service, the number of people who own tokens has grown greatly in the last 2 days. Since 2 days ago, the number of Shibu users has grown by over 2,000 in a very short time. This number was 125,665 on December 6th, with 800 more people joining in 24 hours. Even though crypto winter started in February of this year, a tweet from WallStats says that 250,000 new Shib members joined. Largest whales on the Ethereum blockchain added a little more than $2 million in shibainu to their accounts yesterday. A tweet from WallStats not long ago, a wallet watcher, shows that the 500 biggest whales on Ethereum now have 73,867 8153 Shiba meme coins. This is 2 million more than they had on Friday. Whale stats say that this amount is equal to 216 billion shibainu at the current Shib exchange rate over the last 24 hours. 1.43% more Shibs are in whales than there were a year ago. 73.8, 67.8, 153 of Shibs are held by the top 500 e-whales. 483, 12,454 in college dollar, 37.9 to 78.346 of an unknown token 36, from 674,990 in locust 3,627,023. $23 in bit dollar 3,544. 52 in best 33 mil 54,622 in mock 27,485 181 in link whale leaderboard. Meanwhile, the number of Shib transactions went through the roof on Thursday and Friday. A chart on the WallStats website shows that on December 9th, it hit a high of 26 and 5657, 659 Shib. Whales is still buying Shibs, and the community has been slow to start its regular burns. In the last 24 hours, the share burn rate dropped by 60%, and on Friday, Whales transferred an amazing 5 trillion Shib. The whale warning, according to Crypto Tracker, there were 2 trades that each carried about 2.8 trillion Shiba Inu coins. This much in meme coins is equal to about $52 million in fiat currency. Can be done by crypto companies moving their stash around. Whale Alert marked the wallets that made those moves as unknown, so it's also possible that whales could redistribute Shib. The price of the FTX token has dropped by 3% in the last 24 hours, since Binance said it would sell all of its holdings in the token. A leaked report said that the exchange utility token makes up almost 40% of the assets of Alam Research, a trading firm with ties to FTX. This news is a big reason why FTET has dropped 12% in the last week and is now 73% lower than its all-time high of $84.15 set in September. There is also growing concern about how liquid FTX assets are. FTET may see more losses in the coming days and weeks. This seemed to help stabilize its price a bit, but now things have gotten worse because Binance has announced it will be selling its token holdings. It has more than $500 million in FTET, but the real amount is probably more than that. What's bad about Binance's move isn't just that it will make people want to sell FTX and Alam. It also suggests that Binance has serious doubts about their ability to make money. In a later tweet, Binance's CZ seemed to compare FTX and FTTT to Terra, which crashed spectacularly in May of this year. As a result, things don't look good for FTX in the near future. It has lost 12% of its value in the last week and 63% of its value in the last year, and its momentum is currently pointing downward. Let's go back to Shiba Inu. The price of dogecoin has been doing better than the Shiba, however. Things could change if market conditions stay the same, and Shib could make more money. Doge is going for smaller goals, while the market is under control and rising. During the autumn, the price of dogecoin went up incredibly quickly, giving buyers back 180% of the value they had lost. On the other hand, Chu's price stays the same. The sale in November ended with a 25% loss for Shib investors. However, using comparative technical analysis tools, it is clear that Doge has been the better asset to hold as of December 7th. It might be time for the two well-known joke coins to get their due. Shibu price may do better in the coming weeks if you use tradingview.com. By using a simple division equation between two assets, investors can figure out which one will do better. In this case, the price of Dogecoin split by the price of Shibu shows that Dogecoin has clearly done better than Shibu since August 202. Doge has done 172% better than Shib. Investors can check the equation's accuracy by looking at each asset separately. For example, since August, Doge has gone up 163%, while Shib only saw a 50% uptrend spike. Using Elliott wave theory, the do/Shib chart shows a clear 5-wave impulse. The technicals also showed that the price bounced from the 38.2% Phi-B level on November 10 and formed a double top on November 31. The Fibonacci retracement level is found by comparing the swing low in August to the most recent swing high in November. The rally seen was due to Doge's last-minute 52% recovery rally from November 14th to November 31st. During that time, the SHIB price lost 177% of its market value. If the do/Shib chart has indeed topped, a drop into the lower targets could lead to a Shiba Inu rally or a drop into the golden pocket. 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level would cause the Shiba Inu price to rise by 40%. It's important to note that the Doge price could also drop by 80% while Shib stayed completely still, showing the above scenario's outcome on the do/Shib chart. This is because both assets are related to Bitcoin, so the primary scenario is the more likely outcome. As a divergence between Wave 3 and Wave 5 on the daily chart, the relative strength index backs up the idea that Shibu will soon do better than Dogecoin. The divergence signal could be what investors need to cause the pullback and bring about the rotational change they're looking for. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see more.